In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite not saving settings in Chapter 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this issue isn't really present on console, it's mainly just on PC. So what you want to do firstly on the Epic Games launcher, press these three little dots on Fortnite specifically, then go to Manage, and then verify your files, and then make sure everything is all good. So verify files, and it will basically check if anything is missing, anything like that, and it will make sure that Fortnite is running properly. That should fix it. But if it doesn't, what you want to do is exit out of the Epic Games launcher, go to the bottom on search, and then type in percentage local app data percentage, like so, and then just open up this folder. Next thing you want to do is search for Fortnite game, like so, and then go over to saved, then go to config, then go to Windows Client, and then you're going to see game user settings.ini. It's a configuration settings type file. So all I want to do is right click this, press show more options, press properties, and if it says read only and if it's checked right now, just go ahead and uncheck it, apply, okay, and now anytime you save settings in Fortnite, it's actually going to save and it's not going to be reset to anything else. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check out our other Chapter 7 videos on the channel.